Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's video we will be discussing about the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer mission, popularly known as JUICE mission. As we will be seeing the screens, the JUICE mission has already taken off and it will be going to rotate around the planet Jupiter. So first of all, the timeline. First we'll be looking at the news, then about JUICE mission, then which other aircrafts have been to space to study the Jupiter mission, then what will the mission do, its main focus, and is JUICE mission capable of detecting life or not. In the end, a prelims MCQ. This topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is Science and Tech. Especially from prelims perspective, these kind of questions are basically asked that which mission belongs to which country and which mission belongs to which space agency. And many a times it will be seen that the name of the missions would be given, and on the other side, for example, the match the following questions, the name of the country or the space agency would be given. Now let's look at the news. This news has been taken from the Indian Express and it says European Space Agency set to launch Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, that is JUICE mission. What is the mission about? So first of all, the agency that is responsible for carrying out this mission is the European Space Agency, that is ESA, and the name of the mission is JUICE mission and the full form is Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer. As the name itself is telling that the moons of the Jupiter planet will be taken into consideration. So now let's see what has happened. Okay, first of all, look at this picture. This is how it will look like when it will go and take its position around the planet Jupiter. This is how it will look like. Till now it has not reached because it has just now been launched. So let's look at what has happened and what is JUICE mission. So JUICE mission has been launched, first of all, by which you should be able to know that by which space agency. So that is the European Space Agency, that is ESA. Is set to launch the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer or JUICE mission, and the date on which it has been launched is April 13, very recent, and the spaceport in French Guiana on the Ariane 5 launcher. So these are few of the facts which are very important from prelims perspective. First of all, the space agency, that is the European Space Agency, the launcher, that is Ariane 5 launcher, and from where, that is French Guiana. And this will reach Jupiter in 2031. So imagine this is 2023 and it will reach the planet Jupiter on 2031. It means around 8 years of time period it will take to reach its destination. So the target year for reaching the planet is 2031. And the aim of the mission is to carry out a detailed exploration of the solar system's largest planet, that is Jupiter, and its icy moons, which potentially have habitable environment. Important word here is potentially. It is not saying that it will have habitable environment. It is saying that potentially it might have habitable environment. So the important word here is potential. And it is constructed by an industrial consortium led by Air Defense and Space. So the project or the mission has been constructed by Air Defense and Space. Now let's look at the other aircrafts which have been to Jupiter before. So there are only two other spacecrafts that have examined Jupiter before the JUICE mission, and these are, first is the Galileo probe. And the Galileo probe was launched between 1995 and 2003, and second is Juno. And Juno is presently circling the planet since 2016. It means Juno is recent one as compared to Galileo probe, because Galileo probe was between 1995 and 2003, while Juno is presently circling the Jupiter planet, and this was sent in the year 2016. And there is one more, but it has not been launched, but will be launched this year, that is NASA's Europa Clipper. There are only two spacecraft till now which has reached Jupiter. Third one would be the JUICE mission which is looking into it, and then there is NASA Europa Clipper. it is scheduled to be launched this year. So in 2023 October it will be launched. So this will be the fourth one to do that. Then Europa Clipper would arrive at Jupiter in 2030 and aims to study its Europa moon. See, Europa Clipper, which is NASA's, will be launched in October this year, while the target year for JUICE mission is 2031. Now let's look at what will the mission do. Why is this mission being considered important and what it will bring for us. Then JUICE will make detailed observations of the giant gas planet and its 3 large ocean bearing moons. So this is saying that the planet Jupiter has 3 large moons, and these 3 large moons are Ganymede, Callisto and Europa. This is an important point for you to remember, that Ganymede, Callisto and Europa are moons of which planet? So Ganymede, Callisto and Europa are moons of Jupiter planet. So what the JUICE mission will look into these 3 moons of Jupiter, and these 3 moons are very large in size. And the JUICE mission will look into these moons by using remote sensing, geophysical and in situ instrument. In situ instrument means that the instruments will be present inside the spacecraft only. Then the Jupiter possesses icy crusts which contain oceans of liquid water underneath, making them potentially habitable. And this is the point that why the JUICE mission is considered important, because this JUICE mission will tell us whether life can exist on Jupiter planet or not, because it has been said that Jupiter consists of icy crusts and these icy crusts might possess water under it, and this water can be habitable in nature. This is what is the reason that why this JUICE mission is considered important, and why it can tell us that yes, life is present on that, or can life be present on there. Then JUICE will help probe these water bodies by creating detailed maps of the moon's surface. So it will send us the detailed information and the map of the surface of the moons of Jupiter. Then the main focus of the spacecraft, or the main focus of the JUICE mission would be on that it will examine 3 moons of Jupiter. And what was the name of these 3 moons? They were Ganymede, Callisto and Europa. The most important point that you have to remember from this video is that these 3 names, because they become very confusing at the end of the day if the question comes and the names has been changed with moons of some other planets. Among the 3 moons, the main focus will be on the moon Ganymede, as it is the largest moon in the solar system. So this is also an important point, that the largest moon in the solar system belongs to which planet? That is planet Jupiter, and the name of that moon is Ganymede. And this moon is larger than Pluto and Mercury in size, and the only one to generate its own magnetic field. This is also important, that the only moon to be able to generate its own magnetic field is the moon of planet Jupiter named Ganymede. Then JUICE, which will move into Ganymede's orbit. So the target of the JUICE mission will also be that it will be moving into the Ganymede orbit. Then another goal of the mission is to create a comprehensive picture of Jupiter. It means cameras would be present on the spacecraft or of the mission, so that it can click a picture of the Jupiter and also send the maps of the moon, by trying to understand its origin, history and how it has evolved slowly and gradually over the years. Because these pictures actually tell us that what has been the process, that how things has evolved over the years. And this will also help in providing much needed insight into how such a planetary system and its constituents are formed and evolved over time. Then, is JUICE capable of detecting life or not? So this is the main question, that why this mission has been launched, that whether this mission would be able to tell us that does life exist there or not. Then there are 3 moons, Ganymede, Callisto and Europa, and are believed to hold immense amounts of water underneath it, and which could be around 6 times more than the volume of water in Earth's oceans. So this, you can imagine, would be in huge quantity. Then there is a possibility that life is present on them. Again, I am saying the important word here is possibility. It means it is not sure. There are chances that yes, life might be present on there. Then according to the European Space Agency, life on these moons could be in the form of microbes. This is what the European Space Agency is saying, that life can be present there in the form of microbes, and apart from microbes, more advanced species can also be present there, like corals, worms, mussels, shrimps and fish. The European Space Agency is saying this, that life can be present in the form of microbes, or even more advanced form it can take in the form of corals, worms, shrimp and fish. But the JUICE mission isn't equipped to detect life. It is not equipped to detect life. It will only be able to detect whether the water exists underneath the moons or not, the moon's surface, and whether those moon's surface or the water underneath it is able to give rise or give birth to microbes or other advanced forms. Then it is capable of finding out whether there could be places around Jupiter or not, and inside the icy moons where the necessary conditions such as water, biological essential elements, energy, stability to sustain life are present or not. This is what the space mission will do. So basically what you have to understand is, there is a planet called Jupiter and there are 3 moons of Jupiter, and these 3 moons are considered to be icy moons. Icy moons means that they have water present there, and which is it is said that this water is in huge quantities. So it needs to see that whether this water will be able to give birth to life or not. This is what is the major aim of this mission, that JUICE mission will be able to detect whether life exists or not. Now it's time for the prelims MCQ, and people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. And this says, consider the following statements regarding JUICE mission. First, Jupiter has 3 moons, Ganymede, Callisto and Europa. NASA's Europa Clipper would arrive at Saturn in 2030. Then JUICE mission will be launched from the Ariane 5 launcher. You have to tell about the correct statements, and the codes are 1 and 3 only, 2 only, 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. So I think you will be able to solve this one and try to give me the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.